In this video, I'll be showing you how to move columns in Excel. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, let's say I wanted to change like the order of this. I have some random metrics here. Let's say I wanted it to be number or name, and then number, then score instead of what it is right now, which is number, name, and score. So all I want to go ahead and do is, I don't want to select things like this because you might have hundreds of different rows, right? All you want to do is literally press the specific column you want to move. So let's say in my instance, I wanted to move A. Now, when you press A, like the actual letter, it's going to highlight everything here. Now, all I want to do is on my keyboard, hold shift, go upwards. And as you can see, it has a down arrow. So I don't want to click anything then, but I want to go to the right hand side. And when I go a little lower, as you can see, it's now, instead of this like fat plus icon, I see it like this where I can move it and stuff. So all I want to do now is, while holding shift, is I want to hold it and then I want to move it. And now as you can see, there's that green line in between B and C. That's where I want it to be. So now I can just go ahead and let go. And now as you can see, numbers are there, name is first, and then score is there. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.